Tom recommends doing that. Tom recommends doing that. Tom wouldn't like doing that. Tom wouldn't like doing that. Even Tom was doing that. Even Tom was doing that. I've seen Tom doing that. I've seen Tom doing that. Tom can't stand doing that. Tom can't stand doing that. Tom didn't like doing that. Tom didn't like doing that. Tom enjoyed doing that. Tom enjoyed doing that. Tom hurt himself doing that. Tom hurt himself doing that. Tom is doing that already. Tom is doing that already. Tom is doing that today. Tom is doing that today. Tom isn't doing that now. Tom isn't doing that now. Tom should stop doing that. Tom should stop doing that. We saw Tom doing that. We saw Tom doing that. Tom and I are still doing that. Tom and I are still doing that. Tom continued doing that. Tom continued doing that. Tom didn't regret doing that. Tom didn't regret doing that. Tom doesn't mind doing that. Tom doesn't mind doing that. Tom got injured doing that. Tom got injured doing that. Tom is bad at doing that. Tom is bad at doing that. Tom is used to doing that. Tom is used to doing that. Tom isn't doing that today. Tom isn't doing that today. Tom should be through doing that. Tom should be through doing that. Tom tried doing that once. Tom tried doing that once. Tom was always doing that. Tom was always doing that. Tom would be nervous doing that. Tom would be nervous doing that. Tom didn't enjoy doing that. Tom didn't enjoy doing that. Tom didn't finish doing that. Tom didn't finish doing that. Tom doesn't want you doing that. Tom doesn't want you doing that. Tom has help doing that. Tom has help doing that. Tom is the one who's doing that. Tom is the one who's doing that. Tom may be doing that now. Tom may be doing that now. Tom should be the one doing that. Tom should be the one doing that. Tom was tricked into doing that. Tom was tricked into doing that. Tom will be doing that tomorrow. Tom will be doing that tomorrow. Why isn't Tom doing that? Why isn't Tom doing that? Doing that made Tom sick. Doing that made Tom sick. Thank you for doing that for Tom. Thank you for doing that for Tom. Tom doesn't enjoy doing that. Tom doesn't enjoy doing that. Tom doesn't remember doing that. Tom doesn't remember doing that. Tom had a good time doing that. Tom had a good time doing that. Tom has been doing that recently. Tom has been doing that recently. Tom has denied doing that. Tom has denied doing that. Tom has just started doing that. Tom has just started doing that. Tom injured himself doing that. Tom injured himself doing that. Tom is constantly doing that. Tom is constantly doing that. Tom is doing that for the money. Tom is doing that for the money. Tom is too old to be doing that. Tom is too old to be doing that. Tom isn't doing that anymore. Tom isn't doing that anymore. Tom isn't used to doing that yet. Tom isn't used to doing that yet. Tom was doing that yesterday. Tom was doing that yesterday.